Lynne, how did you go with Blooms France?
Fantastic. Such a privilege to be here on the first Blooms France, and have had an absolute ball.
Yeah.
Had to rethink my procedure and try new techniques, and I think I've got a bit more confidence. It's all working, and I'll be following up, chasing Jackie down the track.
That sounds wonderful. I look forward to that. And how did you find the meals and the accommodation? Would that work for you?
Oh, the food was amazing. The company was fantastic. Every single person, all the girls were just wonderful. We had just the best time. And having the 8 days just made such a difference to be able to focus on your work and really improve and get things done. It was great.
And what about the floral inspiration from Paris down to the Limousin? Did you enjoy that?
Yes, yes, that was fantastic.
We were spoilt, weren't we?
We were very spoilt with beautiful flowers.
Peonies and...
My phone's full of flowers. Hundreds of flowers.
Look forward to seeing all the beautiful paintings. Thanks so much for coming. And
My pleasure.
thank you, Lynne.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. Let's have a last look. Well done.